What up, gang? Just on our way to town.
Okay, community update. Ophelia's back from Interrating. I look like Flashback Mary. Aoife's here, Mia's here, and you know what that makes up? Truck.
Rotation.
Truckers. Whoa, epic. Pulled up out of nowhere. We're here doing God's work. We're collecting our a little food and drinks for truck, and it's actually where your cars go. And give us a demonstration of how the cars move. So we came from Bay 2. Thank you. Seatbelts. Yeah. And then we progressed to Bay 1. I feel like there's just a recurring theme of Sainsbury's and I really don't like it. Every single video I like it. Okay, so we're all settled for bed now. We've got truck tomorrow.
Truck vlog part 1.
Okay.
Here we are.
No, but that's the issue. You need to do it the other way.
Okay, we do it this way. Right.
Mia, the truck group chat.
Truck day
You
1.
just have to send videos to it and just like vlog. So everyone has to film it that way round.
Here's all our stuff.
Let's go, guys.
Yay! Okay, this is us tracking off.
Oh, you're actually doing it. No way.
Yep. How do you feel that you forgot your flower crown?
I feel the most devastated out there. But why? No, Ophelia, you're doing this. Look, his beds are all set up. Yeah. Have you got a fan? Yeah. Okay, we've got these little sections. Yay, and this is the outside. It's huge. Okay, yep. Oh. And then back in here, and that's the whole shebang. From us.
Hey guys.
We give you 0, we give you 100. Can you actually? Everyone, cheers! Cheers! Boomerang. Oh. Okay, everyone drank. Sorry. I can't stop. I'm sorry. I actually can't. Get off the floor. Sorry.
Hey vlog! It's truck night 1. And we're gonna go crazy.
We're gonna get. This is our outfit.
We're gonna get absolutely battered. Okay, right. Mia.
So, sparkly top and skirt and boots.
Emily.
Poncho, white bikini.
Need I say more?
Yeah.
Okay.
So cute.
Ophelia. Nice
And
little
the
shirt
sunset
and
in the
shorts
background,
moment
cinematic,
with the
and Aoife.
boots.
Green goddess, copper bugs.
She's my one and only. From the sea they grow me, they go on my round everywhere. When you're scared and lost, don't let it on.
Hi, Emily's vlog. Mid-rave.
Absolute aftermath. That's Mia. Gone. Ophelia and Aoife over there. Time for bed. Morning. Hi, Emily's vlog. That feeling when just for fun, honestly. Okay, day 2. Okay, Aoife's outfit.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Sparkly top, Union Jack shorts and boots.
Okay, Ophelia's outfit, go.
Got brown, green.
Okay, Emily's outfit.
Emily's outfit. Okay.
Need I say more actually?
Tour. Give us a tour.
Poncho, boob shoe, skirt, headphones, boots.
Beautiful.
Let's go. Oh yeah, I did it. Go. that's
Oh
really
no, hello. Oh shit. What? We're going. Is it?
No, yeah, that's what
Yeah. We're going to Neil Young at the V&V. Yeah. Absolutely wonderful.
Thank you.
Hi, Emily's vlog. This is the mid-pre-drinks.
Yeah, those like
His first race is Mexico.
I'm gonna put some little stars on my face.
Look, he's so
Mid-pre's part 2. We've glittered Louis.
That's not Louis anymore. That's Glitter Louis.
That's glitter Louis.
It's like one of those shops. Okay, everyone, this is the current situation.
On the way to the freezing.
Where's Ophelia? Ophelia, why are you hiding? Sorry. There you go. This is Louis bringing all the vibes we've ever needed.
It's not even a flash on it. Ah!
There we
I
are.
can't see anything.
And everyone see this tent? You actually can't, but it's okay. That's where we're gonna be. 3, 2, 1, boom. Russell's 21st.
Walking fast, faces fast, and I'm home now.
It's dinner time. It's dinner. What's everyone got for dinner?
Wet chicken.
Yummy. Oh yeah, libertines, hashtag socks, but also
It
finished.
was great. They made out.
Yeah, that was the only good part of it. So we're gonna go back to the tent.
Get lit.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
Trying to be all mysterious.
That'll be a cute photo.
Final day outfit. Go, Aoife, go.
Top, shorts, boots.
Oh yeah, Mia,
Top, shorts, boots.
Emily.
Oh wait.
Top, shorts, boots. You guessed it. And Ophelia. Top, shorts. Go say it out loud. Boots. Mill's not welcome though. Okay. Gonna be transported there. 3, 2, 1. Mia, Izzy, Aoife, Ophelia, and Louis. Need I say more? Need I say more? And it's all over. Boo. Okay, so now we're all packed up, and okay, so now we're all walking home.